Hey everybody, let's make this mosquito coil artwork. We are going to make the coil using black clay like this, make spirals. Then we are going to cut these mosquitoes, draw them on the white sheet of paper, color them like this. Now cut it and place randomly on the paper. Draw more details and look, it is ready. Look at this moving cat craft. Let's make it. We are going to make this aquarium using blue craft paper. Now make colorful fishes and paste all of them like this. Paste its eyes using clay. Now draw its fins. Now draw the cat figure and cut it and paste all of them like this. Paste a strip of paper and look, it is ready. Paste the hippopotamus face like this. Now we are also pasting another piece and look, it is ready. Make its ears by pressing this clay. Draw its eyes using black marker. We are also making its eyes using this clay. Now paste its pointy teeth like this and look, it is ready. Let's make these hopping frogs. We are going to paste all the leaves on the sheet of paper. Draw lines on it using white marker. Now make the frog head by folding this green circle paper. Draw its nose and it's ready. We are going to fold these two strips of paper. Paste all of them and paste the frogs and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful artwork. First we are drawing this electric pole like this using marker. Draw wires on it. Then we are going to make birds using this peanut shell. Color like this and paste all of them on the wire like this. Draw their beaks and eyes and look, it is ready. Let's make this mini pond artwork. We are making this grass using green clay. We are going to make fish using foam net. We are cutting this red foam net. Make its fins and paste it like this. Paste its googly eyes. We are also making pebbles and look, it is ready. Let's make this artwork. We are going to make grass using this green clay. Spread it like this. After this we are going to make pebbles using this brown and white clay. Now we are going to draw lines on this seashell. We are making fishes like this and look, it is ready. Draw its eyes and paste all of them like this. Now we are going to draw their fins using orange marker and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.